Prediction, I'm about to tell you what most people frequently ask about when they visit psychics. Among the top 3 topics, love, work, and of course the goings-on of deceased relatives. Personally, I have no mojo when it comes to clairvoyance, but my fetus? That's another story. He knows things. It's question time.
I would like to ask if I will meet a nice man to be a loving companion.
Ow! Fetus just kicked me. He cannot believe you're still single.
I want to know if I will qualify for the Boston Marathon in the next 2 years.
Fetus has a philosophical question for you. He wants to know, Lisa, what are you running from? Fetus is saying you have lovely skin. This is embarrassing. I think Fetus is hitting on you.
Oh, well, Fetus, hurry up and come out, and I want to meet you.
Is my son really mine?
Fetus wants to point out that this show is not Maury Povich. Fetus is saying you have very blue eyes.
Oh, well, thank you.
What's the first president of the United States?
Fetus says, George Washington. What was I born yesterday? I haven't even been born. Fetus wants to know what kind of perfume that is. He says you smell nice.
I would like to ask a question regarding our financial future, what the future holds, and what we could do to ensure an awesome future.
Fetus is not that confident about the banking system. He wants you to go to Santa Anita, 6th race, Lulu's Lemon to take it all. House of Fire was favored to win, but he's got a bum ankle.
Okay, well, I'll definitely take that under advisement.
Fetus, I would like to know who played Patsy
Donnie
on
Most.
Happy Days. Oh my goodness. Wow.
That's Fetus. I can't take credit. That's all Fetus. Fetus says he likes the tone of your voice. You have a very soothing voice.
Well, thank you, Fetus.
Still to come.